for the second summit of opposition parties. Last 23rd June, we had a successful and fruitful meeting of opposition parties in Patna. This is the continuation of that meeting going to be happen. Tomorrow, the meeting will start at 11 o'clock. 26 political parties from all over India is participating in this meeting. We are very grateful to the Chief Minister of Karnataka for hosting a dinner on today evening for the opposition leaders. Basically, we are all united by a common purpose to protect democracy in this country, to ensure the constitutional rights, and the independence of our institutions. These all are under attack on the present regime of BJP government. They want to silence the opposition voice. They are misusing entire agencies like Enforcement Directorate, CBI, to suppress the voice of the opposition. The disqualification of Rahul Gandhi from the parliament is one of the biggest examples for that. The incident happening in Maharashtra also, one of the examples that. They want to destabilize the democratically elected government by misusing these agencies. And you all know, Manipur is burning last 75 days. One of our prestigious and most strategic state is burning for last 75 days. Not even a concrete initiative to resolve the problem so far. And the shocking one is the total silence of the Prime Minister. Last 75 days, the country is waiting for a response from the Prime Minister. He has not even uttered a single word on Manipur issues. At least a peace call to the people of Manipur is not coming from the mouth of the Prime Minister. This is a really shocking. The people of the country are in a great distress, especially the common people of this country, due to unemployment and price rise. There is no concrete measures to address the concern of the common people of this country. Though we are here not only for attaining power, we are here for address this genuine concern of the biggest democratic country of the world. Of course, people are aware of this fact. They will teach a lesson when the time comes. Those who are totally failed in governance, those who are cheating them by giving false promises, that is up to the people, they will decide. We are very sure that. But here, we are all here. 26 opposition political parties are here to move forward unitedly, to give a solution for the common people's issues and to address the genuine concern of this dictatorial government actions. That's why we are all coming here. This is the second meeting. We will decide in this meeting what the course of action in future. Certainly, Parliament session is also starting on 20th onwards. We will chalk out the Parliament strategy also. Certainly, we are very sure that this is going to be a game changer of Indian political scenario. And we are very happy to see that after the Patna meeting, those who are telling that we are very much comfortable alone to defeat entire opposition. Now they also started meeting. That is a real success. We thought that that's a real success of this opposition unity. Once again, on behalf of Congress Party, because Congress Party is initiating this conclave, welcoming all of you in this beautiful city of this country.